When creating a new post in WordPress, it's actually very simple to do. There's two ways you can do it. Once you've logged into your site and you're at this starting screen, which is the dashboard, on the left-hand side you'll see a menu here that says Posts. And there's two things you can do. You can either click on All Posts, which will take you to a list of all the posts that you have on this current site, as well as what their status is. And from here, up at the top, you can click on this button that says Add New. You can also, if you want to bypass this step, you can, over here on the left-hand side, also just click on the Add New button. Both will take you to the same place. And so you'll be on this page here where it says Add New Post. And so I'm just going to enter some text here. Test post. I'm going to put today's date. And down here in the text, or in this big text box, this is the content of the post. So I'm actually going to just say this is a test, and I can do a variety of things, like I could bold any of the words that I want. I can italicize some things. This toolbar up here gives you a lot of different options of what you can do. If you're familiar with HTML and you want to enter some custom code, you can do that by clicking on the HTML tab over here at the top of the box. And what this will do is actually convert everything that you currently have in the box into HTML. So you can see it's got the EM tag for the italics and the strong tag for the bold. And you can actually type custom HTML directly into this box. There are some limitations, but most standard HTML will work. Once you're done with the content, you can then select a category for it to be published under. You can add some keywords or some tags here. You can also add some images, which we'll cover in another training video. But once you're done, up here at the top there's a publish box. Depending on what your permission level is, this may have some different options. But for the most part, if you're an administrator or an editor, you'll have either save draft, which will save it but not publish it to the rest of the world. You can preview what it will look like on the screen to everybody once it is live. You can also publish it down here by this blue button. If you decide that you don't want to use this post anymore and you just want to trash it, you can click on the Move to Trash link. You can also schedule your posts. So this little calendar icon here, next to it, it says Publish Immediately, which is the default. You can click on Edit, enter a date and time, and after you click OK, the Publish button will actually change to the word Schedule, and it will automatically go up at the time and date that you specify. So I'm just going to go ahead and publish it now. And when you're done, you'll see a notice up here saying Post Published, with a link to take you directly to that public post that you've created. So if I click on that link, it actually takes me to my test site, and this is the title of the post as well as the content, and some additional data here, as well as a commenting box for the general public to be able to comment on that. So that's the basic gist of how to create a post in WordPress.